What's going on, guys? It's Gabe Hogan, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how using Mint.com I've been able to save $227,000. Alright guys, $227,000, and I know y'all are wondering, Gabe, how in the world can you do that with Mint.com? And if y'all stay with me till the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how. Now here we go, let's jump right into my computer. Alright guys, here we go. Now I am inside of my computer. We're inside of Mint.com, and I cannot wait to show you all how we were able to save that much money. Alright, I know you guys are wondering. So, first and foremost, before we get into it, if you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button and tick that notification bell. There will be nothing sold to you in this video. There will not be an affiliate link for Mint.com. There will not be any of that. This is just purely for you all. And if you like the content, make sure and click the subscribe button. All right, guys. So how were we able to save that much money? First, I want to tell you guys the problem me and my girlfriend were having. And our problem is that we like to eat out a ton. We like to eat out at all different kinds of restaurants. We like to eat out at Olive Garden. We like Panera. We like Texas Roadhouse, O'Charlie's. We like to eat out at all these different types of restaurants, but the only downside is that it costs us so much money to do so. All right, it costs us so much money to do so, and that's what we set out to do this month. Was we said, okay, we're gonna try and go to the grocery, cook our own food as much as we possibly can, and we're gonna try and just save money in that way because it will help us in the future, and the amount of money we save today will accumulate to be a lot of money down the road, and that's what I want to show you all. So where I'm at right now in Mint.com is I'm in the trend section. If you go to the trend section, you're going to be able to look at your spending, and then you're going to be able to look at the categories from month to month, and that's what's very important. Okay, very important. And what I'm looking at is the food and dining category. And you can see the yellow is what happened last month, which is when we were still using like our old habits or eating out or whatever you want to call it. And the green is this month. All right. So if you look, last month, food and dining category, we spent $717.24. Now, this month, we were more conscious of us eating out, and we spent $513.91. All right, guys. So you could see that roundabout we were able to save $200 this month just by eating out less. Now, to say that we did not eat out at all is a lie, because I looked through here and there were still like 14 transactions or so where it showed us either getting ice cream or eating out somewhere or getting a snack or whatever, right? It showed 14 transactions that were something that we're eating out. So yes, we still did eat out some, but we did decrease it by $200. And that's amazing. So if you guys want to see this, just go to Mint.com, set up an account, and then let it start tracking your spending, and then you'll be able to use this trend section to do exactly what I'm doing right now. Now, Gabe, how does it come out to be the $200 and something thousand? How does that work out? Now, this is what I want to show you guys, is that you're literally not just saving $200 a month, but if you take that money and then you invest it, that's what really matters. All right? If you can cut down your spending and then invest that money, that's what's going to show you the gains. All right? That's what's going to show you the gains, and that's what I want to show you all. If y'all go to this investment calculator on smartasset.com, you'll be able to put in a starting amount. It says it has to be a minimum of $100, so we'll just do that. And what we're gonna do, what I've done here, is I said, okay, if we can save $200 a month on eating out, then that's gonna equal $2,400 annually. Okay, $2,400 annually. And what I've done here is I've put in the rate of return you're gonna get, the average from the stock market adjusted for inflation. Okay, adjusted for inflation is 7%. And then what I'm doing, I'm giving it 30 years to grow, which is until age 55 for me. I'm about to be 25. All right. So over 30 years, if you save $200 a month on not eating out and trying to be more conscious of what you're doing and eating more at home, and you invest that money in the stock market, you're looking at $227,000 is what that money would have grown to by the time you're 55 years old. Now, guys, if that is not just mind-blowing, I'm not sure what to tell you. But it will grow to over $200,000 in 30 years if you can just put back $200 a month by not eating out as much. Now, I didn't say not eating out at all, but not eating out as much. We still ate out, like I said, there was 14 transactions where we were eating out. Okay, we still had a good time. We didn't feel deprived for like not having something that we used to have. That wasn't the case either. We still had a good life. We still had fun. And we were able to save that $200 this month. All right, guys. So I hope this video helped you all. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I hope you all can see why using Mint.com and using just any tool that can track your progress financially, can track your transactions, can show you and gauge where you were at compared to last month, compared to last year, and just to show your progress. I hope you guys can see the benefit to using a tool like that. All right, guys. So if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like it, and make sure you have notifications turned on. Okay, guys. I appreciate y'all, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.